Storm Tracker weather with meteorologist Eric Ash.
Winter weather advisory in effect for the central mountains, especially the western slopes as well, impacting very heavy with snowfall. If you're above 7,000 feet, 2 to 5 inches. This goes in effect also for the Bear River Range as well for today and tomorrow, expiring tomorrow at 11 p.m., Friday 11 p.m. If you're above 8,000 feet, 5 to 10 inches of snow can be anticipated. For today, the arrival of low pressure bringing us precipitation. Lower elevations will see rain. We could see up to an inch of rain for portions of the Snake River Plain, 1/2 to 1 inch. Temperatures are still mild, 40s. Pocatello, a high of 49. In Idaho Falls, 48. And the reason for that is because this low pressure is drawing these warmer temperatures and moisture from the tropics. That's why we're staying with these warmer temperatures. But then Friday into Saturday, a cold front sweeps through and our direction changes, and therefore we will then become colder, have much more colder temperatures, and then on Saturday we will see widespread snow for all locations. Central mountains for the overnight time frame, huge chance for some freezing rain, so super cool droplets, very cold liquid precipitation falling onto the surface, which is below freezing on contact, creating icy slick surfaces. Be very careful. That can also exist. Freezing rain can also occur outside of the central mountains. Do anticipate that this is the type of weather that is very conducive for freezing rain for the overnight time frame. So this high pressure has moved off. You can see more moisture from this low pressure is really beginning to influence our area, and it's really drawing a lot of moisture from the south there. In the direction from originating anywhere around the Hawaiian Islands, we would call that the Pineapple Express. Other forecasters would call it an atmospheric river, just drawing a lot of moisture up in this direction. Here's your Southeast Idaho Chevy dealer 7-day forecast. Groundhog Days tomorrow. Some people call them yard bears. We are trending colder Sunday due to that cold front passing through Friday into Saturday. And then we do have a brief reprieve hovering around Sunday, that Sunday time frame. We'll still have some isolated locations receiving some rain and or some snow. However, that's only going to be the lull in our 7-day forecast period here. We have a secondary system. Right now, it's developing as we speak over Northern California. It's going to deepen into its own low pressure center, and then that will affect us for the beginning of next week's work week, next week's school week. And speaking of school, I do have the school bus tracker for you after Yellowstone. Yellowstone staying pretty cold throughout most of the period. There's only a few days where the high temperature is above freezing. In the morning for today, 33 degrees, wind chill 25, and then clouds will increase, invade the sky, and then rain will begin for lower elevations. This is for today. And then for mountain locations, we'll see a snow rain mix later in the day, and then especially into the evening. Now for the afternoon, for the Snake River Plain, we'll see that rainfall start and some gusty winds. We may see some gusts up to 20 or 25 mile per hour, especially in mountain locations as well. 47 degrees at 3 p.m. with a wind chill of 42. Back to you, Deanne.